Kabanata 18, Break. Nasira ang pangalan ng mga Riego dahil sa ginawa ni Daddy. Although cases were immediately filed and his dismissal was served within 48 hours of what happened. The investigations were clear, Florence. I suggest you talk to your husband instead, not me. Banayad na sinabi ni Hera Riego. Isinama ako ni Mami sa isang pribadong pagkikita nila ni Hera Riego sa isang magarang hotel. May mga guards na nakapalibot sa amin para sa mga Riego. Sa huling pag-uusap namin ni Hades, nangako siya nga ayusin ang lahat. I counted on that so hard because I know my father has already given up. Akala ko ba iimbestigahan pa ng mabuti? Masyado naman yatang mabilis ang naging desisyon ni Mr. President. I know you don't want to ruin VHRV but we need to get to the bottom of this. Hindi ko mapigilan ang pagsang-ayon kay Mami. Nakita ni Hera ang pagtango ko sa sinabi ni Mami. The investigations were clear. His signatures weren't forged and even your husband said that it was his. He approved of all the substandard materials and the money were misappropriated for his personal reasons. Alam ko mahirap tanggapin, Florence, dahil matagal na tayong magkakilala at pinagkakatiwalaan natin ang isa't isa. Naninikip ang dibdib ko habang nakikinig kay Hera Riego. I remember Hades' promise and how I swore to my mommy that it's all gonna be alright because Hades got us. Alam kong alam niya na malaki ang tiwala ng asawa ko sa asawa mo. The reason why he can freely embezzle the money if he wanted to. We hope he wouldn't, but he did. Your son, Hades, isn't fast to conclude, Hera. Siya man ay nagsabi sa aming aayusin niya ito at iimbestigahan pa. Si Mami na hindi nakayanan pa. Yumuko ako. I sense Hera Riego's eyes on me. Leave my son out of this. He's busy studying. I don't intend to disturb him just because of a problem in the company. Nanatili ang mga mata ko sa lamesa at natantong maaring hindi alam ni Hades ang buong istorya dahil hindi siya pinapaalam ng kahit na sino sa kanyang pamilya o baka pati mga tauhan. You are free to investigate on your own, but I suggest you talk to Fidel about it. Kahit siya man ay aminado at nangako na paninindigan ang nangyari, he gracefully accepted his exit. It's because of the many lawsuits from the board of directors. Desperadong sambit ni Mami. Hindi na namin makokontrol iyon dahil marami nga naman ang nadamay sa ginawa niya, Florence. Buntong hininga ni Hera Riego. My husband should be the first one to bring Fidel down. Ang pangalan namin ang sinira niya, but he chose to dismiss him and only made him pay for the damages because after all, he had been loyal and good to the company for years. Please, I hope you see our efforts to make this less... Hindi ko na alam, Hera! Si Mami sabay tayo. The Riego guards were immediately alert dahil sa sigaw at biglaang galaw ni Mami. Sinulya pa niya ako kaya tumayo na rin para gayahin siya. Do you want me to say thank you for your efforts? No thanks. If you want to file a case, then go ahead. We will do our own investigation for this, and once we proved you all wrong, kami naman ang maniningil. Si Mami at tinalikuran si Hera Riego. Let's go, Felicia! Hindi na ako sumulya pa kay Hera Riego. Sumunod ako kay Mami palabas ng hotel at pinakinggan lahat ng sinabi niya. I know your father. Lagi man kami nag-aaway, pero hindi niya magagawa ito. Lalo na dahil alam niyang hindi tayo pwedeng maghirap dahil kay Atticus. She wailed inside our car. Baka po gusto nga ni Daddy ng maraming pera kaya niya nagawa iyon. Maybe he thinks he'd get away somehow, so he did that. Felicia, you believe Hera Riego more than your father? Don't you know your own father? Napaangat ako ng tingin kay Mami. He's not that kind of person. At huwag ka nang umasa sa tulong ni Hades dahil kahit pa anong sabihin niya, hindi tayo papanigan noon dahil sila ang nasira ng insidenteng ito. The first thing he'll do is to try to control the damage for their company and not to attend to us. Magulo ang isipan ko. Lagi kami nag-aabang sa mga tawag ni Daddy o ni Baltazar para makibalita sa kalagayan niya. Ang sinabi iuwi sila sa Makalawa para asikasuhin ang mga problema sa VHRV. Also, Daddy said he's really ready to face it and then move on to his other business ventures. Ang reaksyon ni Mami nang sinabi iyon ni Daddy ay mas nagpalala sa bumabagabag sa akin. Why did you do this to us? You are in the best position in the world. All you have to do is to be trustworthy to the Riegos. Mommy screamed at her phone. Nilingon ko si ate ko sa gilid. Naumilog ang mga mata niya habang pinapanood ang pagsisigaw ni Mommy. Alam mong kailangan natin ng pera! Now more than ever! You know Atticus will need maintenance and if we're covered in that now, ewan ko sa'yo, Fidel! Mabilis ko nilapitan ang kapatid at unti-unting hinatid sa kanyang silid, kaysa marinig niya ang mga sinabi ni Mommy kay Daddy. What's wrong with Mommy? He asked me after I put him to bed. Umiling ako. She's just upset. Daddy has a problem at work. Don't worry too much about it, okay? Tumango ang kapatid ko. What's that? Parang pinipiga ang puso ko. Hinaplos ko ang buhok ng kapatid. Daddy owes money to some people, Atticus. But for sure, Daddy can pay them back. And we need money for my doctor, right? Medyo nag-aalala niyang tanong. Ngumisi ako para itago ang awa para sa kapatid. Don't worry about it. Mommy is just overreacting. May pera para riyan. Hindi mo na kailangang isipin. What if I stop going to the doctor so we won't need money? Kinagat ko ang labi ko bago ngumiti. We shouldn't stop going to the doctor. And it's all okay, Atticus. We have enough money for your doctor so don't think about it, alright? Malungkot na tumango ang kapatid ko at tuluyan ng humiga sa kama. Tinabunan ko siya ng kumot. Maybe it's better if I die so you won't have a problem? Atticus! Agap ko. Malungkot niyang ibinagsak ang tingin sa kanyang mga daliri. Don't say that, okay? Nanginig ang boses ko pero pinilit kong magpakatatag. We have no problem with you, Atticus. He nodded, but I have a feeling he still believes it. Look, we have many properties. We have money. Mommy is just stressed and angry with Dad. That's why her words are like that. Pagkatapos ng mahabang pangaral ko kay Atticus, si Mommy naman ang pinuntahan ko para sabihin sa kanyang mag-ingat naman sa pananalita dahil hindi magandang naririnig ni Atticus ang mga ganoon. Bakit, Feli? Alam mo ba ang plano ng daddy mo, ha? I don't know, Mommy, but can we lessen our problems by being discreet? Ayaw ko may problema na nga tayo sa pera, maapektuhan pa ang kalagayan o isipan ni Atticus. Dodoble lang ang mga problema natin. Your dad wants to touch your money for his new and unsure pursuit from that stupid apprentice of his. Mami, baka tinutulungan lang ni Baltazar si Daddy kasi nakita niyang nahihirapan na tayo. To what? To invest on small-time companies and have bigger losses? Pumikit ako na mariin. Hindi na kaya ang mga problema na matatanda. Ma'am, hindi ko po alam pero siguro naman nagsisikap si Daddy na makaahon tayo. Walang problema sa akin kung galawin niya ang pera ko. All I ask from you is to please be mindful. I don't want Atticus to hear all of this. Humaba pa ang pagtatalo namin ni Mami na umiikot lang sa mga plano ni Daddy. He's starting an investment company in Iloilo. Si Baltazar daw ang nagsabi sa kanya at sinuportahan naman iyon ng ilang kaibigan ni Daddy. The Larrazabals are ready to get Daddy under their wing but for some reason, Daddy refused their offer and started his own. Pagod na pagod ako nang sa wakas ay nakapasok na sa kwarto. Sa laptop, nakita ko ang ilang tawag galing kay Hades sa iba't ibang oras. I swallowed hard and thought about what his mother said. Nag-aaral siya at hindi dapat naiistorbo pero umaasa kasi ako sa maitutulong niya. Are you okay? He asked. Halatang nasa isang universidad siya sa screen niya. May pakiramdam akong pumapasok siya pero tumawag pa rin. I'm fine. I booked a ticket going home. I figured I can't do anything from here. Nagulat ako sa sinabi niya. Hindi ko siya gustong istorbohin pero hindi ko mapigilang umasa sa tulong niya. Pero paano ang pagpasok mo? I'll just extend and do makeup classes for that. Bakit? Ilang araw ka ba rito? Hindi ko pa alam kung kailan ang balik ko, kung matapos ang investigasyon. Bigla ako nakaramdam ng guilt. Kailangan ko siya pero kung isasakripisyo niya ang sarili niya para lang dito, hindi ko alam kung worth it ba. Paano naman kung tama si Hera Riego at may kasalanan nga si Daddy? I'll help you. Don't worry, okay? He assured me. Hindi ko nga lang alam kung bakit imbis na mapanatag, parang mas lalo akong nabagabag sa sinabi niya. He'll help us? How? What if the investigations are right? Will he swallow his principles and still help us, even if my daddy did so many wrong things to his name? You know what? it's okay. I don't really want you to leave your studies for this. It's our problem.
It's my problem too. It's under our company.
Oo, Hades, pero nariyan naman ang president at ang mami mo para ayusin ang gusot nyo. You should be there and study.
Pwede naman akong lumiban saglit dahil importante ito, Felicia.
Saglit? The investigation for sure will take time. Kailangan na ng maagang solusyon dahil mabilis na nasisira ang pangalan nyo dahil sa nagawa ni Daddy.
It's okay. I can always re-enroll next time. I can help you,
he said with a positive disposition. I sighed. Gusto kong tulungan mo kami pero siguro wala ka nang maitutulong pa. Bukod sa panibagong investigasyon, the company only made Daddy pay even when your father must file cases against him. Malaking tulong na siguro iyon na hindi nila ginawa. Bukod sa investigasyon, wala na. And if the results are the same, then it's not worth your time anymore. You can't do anything about it.
I want to be there, Felicia. Isa pa, baka may bago sa investigasyon.
Paano kung wala? Then you are just wasting your time and effort. Babalik ka na lang riyan at wala ring nangyari.
I'll promise. I'll help you. At kung walang pagbabago sa investigasyon, mananatili muna ako. This is hard for you and for our company. They will need me now more than ever.
Pagod akong tumango kahit pa may kakaibang pakiramdam ako rito. I remember Herreriago's reaction when she heard Hades' name on my mom's statements. Clearly, they want him out of this. Kaya rin kahit na gusto kong magpatulong, hindi ako kumbinsidong dapat niya ako tulungan. What if it was indeed Daddy's fault? What will be his stand on this? It's their name at stake. It's their company. Felicia! Gumising ka nga! Si Mami maagang pinasok ang kwarto ko. Umahon ako at kinusot ang mga mata. Nakita ko ang pagkakataranta niya. Nakaroba pa at hawak-hawak ang cellphone. The Riagos threatened to file some cases for your father! Iyon ang ibinalita ni Mami sa akin kinaumagahan. What? I don't know if they're pressured to do it by the media. Pagkatapos ng sinabi ni Hera na hindi sila magsasampa. Kagigising ko lang at hindi makaproseso ng maayos ang utak ko. Pinilit kong mag-isip pero hindi pa yata ako gising. I don't know what triggered them but our lawyer called after Hera's call to inform me. At ang buwisit mong ama, hindi pa rin umuwi. Kailangan niyang umuwi rito at harapin iyan. Ano, ako ang haharap sa kahihiyan na ginawa niya? The Riagos are filing cases against us. Kagabi lang sinabi ni Hades na tutulungan niya kami. Bakit lalong lumala? Tumawag si Herreriago sa'yo, Mami? Yes, Mami said proudly. And I blocked her number after that. Bakit daw? Bakit siya tumawag? She asked me to make her son stay out of this. It seems like her husband in Hades is in some kind of feud, based on her words. I don't know what it is, but it's probably karma. My jaw dropped. Sinabi ko, it's not my problem if Hades sees the good of Fidel after years of service. Mami, you're so rude. Hades wants to help us pero hindi mo na sana sinabi iyan. Pakialam mo, Felicia. I'm so stressed with all of this. I just want to pour out my anger to someone and luckily, she called me this morning. Buti nga sa kanya. Umiling siya at hinilot ang sentido. Ilang spa at thermage ang gagawin ko pagkatapos ng problemang ito. My goodness! Call your father and beg him to come home. I need a good bath. She said and shut my door. Hindi ko alam kung dahil baka gigising ko lang o dahil nagpatong-patong na ang problema ko. Pero kinuha ko ang cellphone ko, buo ang loob ng tawagan si Hades. Wala na akong pakialam kung anong oras ngayon doon at kung ano man ang mangyayari pagkatapos ng tawag na ito. Maybe after our call last night, he called his parents and told them about his plans. Frankly, I wanted his help so bad. I need it desperately. May pakiramdam din ako na magalit ang mga magulang niya kapag nalamang mas inaasikaso niya ito kaysa sa pag-aaral, lalo pat kaya naman nila ang kumpanya at hindi na kailangan ng tulong ng anak. But he wanted to help, and for sure, that's because he knows we're struggling because of this.
Good morning,
he said huskily. Nasa silid na siya at halatang gabi na yata sa ibang bansa. Ang lampara niya sa likod ay nakikita ko at nakaputing damit at gray shorts siya na nakita ang bahagya niyang paggalaw. My heart hurt and I realized then that this is what I should do for now. I know I desperately need his help, but if I act now based on my instincts, I don't think I will ever forgive myself eventually.
Kagising mo lang ba?
Banayad niyang tanong. I've been thinking all night, sabi ko at pilit na pinatatag ang boses. He sighed.
Babiyahe na ako bukas. Don't worry, okay?
No, don't. Stay there and finish what you started, Hades.
This can wait. The company needs me. You need me. I will help you.
I realize you shouldn't. Pagod kong hinilot ang mga mata ko. Masyado akong desperada sa tulong na kahit inamin na ni Daddy ang kamalian niya, naiisip ko pa rin may magagawa si Hades para pabalikin sa dati ang lahat. If I ask for his help, this will only encourage him to do something for my dad. When he shouldn't. Bukod pa riyan, may pakiramdam akong hindi nga gusto ng president na makialam si Hades kaya sila nag-aaway ngayon. Tanga na lang ang mag-iisip na ginagawa niya ito para sa kumpanya. Hindi kailangan ng tulong ang kumpanya nila. Ako ang nangangailangan noon. Hades is just helping me and nothing more. Kailangan harapin ni Daddy ang kasalanan niya at kung sasampahan siya ng kaso ng board of directors o kahit ng mga magulang mo, it's his fault. He must suffer the consequences of his decisions.
I'll investigate on that. Maybe I can make them stop the cases and just let your father pay for the damages.
You shouldn't. Maraming atraso si Daddy at kailangan niyang harapin ang mga iyon. You're just doing this because I'm your girlfriend and you're worried about me.
Felicia, it's early in the morning. You should rest and don't stress yourself too much about this. Uuwi na naman ako.
Hindi ko siya kayang kalabanin. Magaling siyang pumili ng mga salita para lang makumbinsi akong tanggapin ang tulong niya. Tell me, Hades, are you in a feud with your father just because of what happened? Hindi ko na napigilan ang pagtatanong. Hindi siya kaagad nakasagot. He even stopped looking at his screen and did something else before speaking. Kumunot pa ang noo niya at dumilim ang muka.
Who told you that?
May pakiramdam akong hindi ko na dapat sabihin pa kung sino. Hindi niya pinabulaanan ang tanong ko. Umilag lang.
It's our usual conflicting views on things.
Mag-break na muna tayo. I snapped. Dahil hindi siya nagsalita o gumalaw, akala ko noong una naputol ang linya. But then he sighed and I realized it's connected. This is not the best time to continue this relationship.
This is the best time to keep it. Hindi laging masaya. Minsan may problema.
He said coldly.
This is the best time to learn.
Umiling ako. I have problems here and I don't want our relationship to be in the way.
Is it in the way, Felicia?
Agap niya. It is, for you.
I will be home tomorrow. Let's talk then.
Umiling ulit ako. Alam mo, huwag ka nang umalis dyan. I think it's only getting complicated if you meddle with it, Hades. Hayaan na lang natin ang mga pamilya nating resolbahin ito at huwag na tayong makialam na dalawa.
I am working in that company and I can do something, Feli. Besides, I will investigate and I might find some loopholes with the previous investigation. Please, have more faith in me.
Maghiwalay na lang talaga muna tayo. Mas gusto kong hindi mo iniisip ang kapakanan ko at ng pamilya ko rito, lalo na dahil may pakiramdam akong kahit anong investigasyon ang gawin mo, it will always be the same. My father really embezzled money.
I'll investigate.
He was firm on it, almost stubborn. So, you're not letting me end this, Hades? May banta sa tono ko.
Hindi ko makita ang rason mo para maghiwalay tayo.
I can sense the tense on his voice. Kung hindi tayo, uuwi ka ba para mag-imbestiga? Hindi, diba? Kasi alam mong kaya na ng daddy mo iyon. So, why go home now and do things? He couldn't answer it. Sa itsura niya, alam kong nanatili ang kanyang desisyon. Because I'm your girlfriend. He shook his head at that. You're obliged to do it.
I'm not. I want to do it.
Maghiwalay tayong dalawa. Kung tayo, pagkatapos ng lahat ng ito, tayo pa rin, hindi ba?
I don't see your point. It's as if you think I'll cancel my flight if we'll break up now. No, I'm coming home, even if you break up with me.
I gritted my teeth. Hindi ko alam kung nasasaktan ba ako dahil sa inis sa kanya o dahil namamangha ako na ganyan siya mag-isip.
We won't break up, please. Gusto ko lang namang malaman kung ano ang nangyari. And is it wrong to worry for my girlfriend? Why are you holding this against me?
Parang kinukurot ang puso ko sa sunod-sunod niyang mga tanong. This is not the right time to be in a relationship with you. Maghiwalay
Hindi nga tayo maghihiwalay, Felicia.
He said, cutting me off. It was as if he hated my words so much. He can't bear hear it. Natawa ako sa reaksyon niya, but it's without humor.
Sadly, I know exactly what to say, so we'd end things right now, and he will hate me for it, for sure.
Para ka rin palang ex ko, hindi tumatanggap ng hiwalayan. Hindi ka nga seloso, pero namimilit naman. Unti-unti siyang pumikit na mariin. I saw him swallowed hard. He sighed and stayed silent for a while before he answered.
I'm not forcing you. Hindi ko lang makita ang magandang rason kung bakit ka makikipaghiwalay sa akin ngayon.
Because you can see my reason you're forcing me to stay in this relationship then? Hindi siya makatingin sa akin samantalang diretso ang tingin ko sa kanya. He stayed silent for a long while. Hinintay ko dahil alam kong pagkatapos ng tawag na ito, tapos na kami. I hope he was bluffing when he said he'll still go home even when we're done.
Can't this wait until I'm home?
I don't want you to come home, sagot ko.
Fine, if you want to break up with me, then have it your way.
Mahina niyang sinabi. Thank you for the help and for everything, Hades. Sabi ko at walang pag-aalinlangang pinutol ang video call. Pinatay ko ang laptop pagkatapos makita ang haba ng usapan namin. Sa huli, humiga ako at hindi na kumain pa buong araw. Nagdaan ang mga araw, hindi ko na alam kung ano ang mga nangyari sa kaso ni Daddy. I chose not to meddle with it. Kung hindi ako babalitaan ni Mami, hindi ko malalaman. But mostly, her news were about Daddy's losses and her stress. Umuwi si Daddy pero hindi siya nagtatagal sa bahay. Hinarap niya ang mga kaso niya at tuwing nandito siya, puro away naman nila ni Mami ang naririnig ko. I only concentrated on ate ko's health, lalo na dahil unti-unti nang nagtatanggal ng nurses at kasambahay si Mami. I looked at the bright side of not having friends kasi mas napalapit ako sa kapatid ko dahil hindi na ako imbitado sa mga kaganapan nila. But I can't deny the sadness I'm feeling every time I see their picture, happy together. Imbis na tumingin, pinili ko na lang na patayin ang mga social media accounts ko. Kung ayaw ka nilang kaibiganin, edi huwag. You shouldn't run after them, Feli. You're Felicia Velario. Ikaw dapat ang gusto nilang maging kaibigan. Mami's pep talk after knowing about Katie's 19th birthday. At sa gitna ng mga iyon, naiisip ko si Hades. Hindi ko na inalam kung umuwi nga ba siya o kung ano ang mga ginawa niya. I'd rather not know. Mami is also bitter to even mention the Riagos. Kung mapag-uusapan man, wala siyang nasasabi kundi ang karma at ang pagiging walang utang na loob nila kay Daddy. Months passed and our assets deteriorated slowly. Hindi ko man nakikita sa mga numero, pero ayon sa bilang ng kasambahay at unti-unting pagtitipid ni Mami, ramdam na ramdam ang pagbabago. Oh, akala ko hindi ka na mag-aaral, Felicia. Unang araw sa eskwelahan at iyon ang bati ng isang classmate ko noong senior high. Discreetly, I enrolled in a good university and under the course of civil engineering. Ang daming pinagbawalan na maging kaibigan ka dahil sa nangyari ah. Nagkibit siya ng balikat. Buti at hindi naman kami mayaman kaya nakakausap pa kita dahil wala naman pake ang parents ko sa mga nangyari sa inyo. Pero balita ko bantay sarado raw si Grathel pati cellphone para lang hindi ka makausap. Pati ang mga Lopez? Not surprising. Sa party kasi ni KD, sobrang daming bodyguards ni Arturo eh. Invited ka sa party ni KD? Oo naman, akala ko nga invited ka pa rin eh. Pinag-usapan pa nga nila roon na inurong na nga ng mga Riago ang kaso nila sa daddy mo. Hindi pa rin nagbabayad ng damages. Kinagat ko ang labi ko at medyo nahiya na kahit sa party pala, ganoon ang pinag-uusapan. Binabawi pa kasi ng dad ko ang pera through his new investment company. Unti-unti naman nababayaran eh. Tumango siya bago bumaling sa ilang kaibigan. I hugged my books tighter and continued walking like everything is fine.